Millions of products are failing silently. Your $2,000 appliance breaks, and it can't tell you what's wrong. 70% of customers never unlock their product's full potential. Billions of dollars wasted on support calls and returns. Hours lost to frustration. Introducing Voice-First AI Companion for products and services, Aura. The platform that transforms every physical product into an intelligent, voice-first companion.
My smart TV isn't connecting to Wi-Fi. What's wrong here?
Hi Fred, please check if the Wi-Fi router is in the range. Go to the network settings and refresh the list of available networks.
Solving problems right away. No hold music, no 200-page manual. Just instant, intelligent answers in over 100+ languages. With Aura, elevate your user experience from the very first interaction. Deliver engaging product know-how. Enable instant problem resolution. Promote safe usage, smart maintenance, and better product care. Better support, happier customer. It's time to ship the best user experience with your products. Build your first AI companion with Aura.